Aș dori ca toată lumea să treacă prin chestia asta. Toată lumea, oricine.
Ecstatic dance, I really enjoyed the experience. For me it was something very genuine, very heartwarming, and the people around here were all friendly and willing to interact with one another, which is something that we are missing nowadays, I feel. So thank you again.
For me, ecstatic dance at Dakini was
Hello guys, thank you for this experience with ecstatic dancing. For me, ecstatic dancing was awakening and opening to people and to the energy that we surround with each other, and we can share it through music and movement. So thank you very much.
Ecstatic dance is for me a way of being, and I'm just